I'm meteorologist Ken Drews from the National Weather Service in Tucson with an outlook for drought conditions and a look at what's expected this spring. Well, it's probably not a big surprise that much of southeast Arizona had a dry 2013. We had a few decent rains, particularly in portions of Cochise and Greenlee counties, along with western sections of Pima and Pinal counties. These rains occurred mainly during the months of July, September, and November. But by and large, southeast Arizona was quite dry, as shown in yellow and orange on this map. The areas shaded in orange were actually drier in 2013 than they were during 90% of all the years since 1895. Actual December 2013 through January 2014 precipitation totals, along with average totals for December through February, are shown here for a few locations in southeast Arizona. As you can see, we haven't even come close to the average 3-month total so far. But will we make up for it in February? Well, we're expecting a couple of chances for precipitation this week, especially near the end of the week. Check our website for the latest forecast and rain totals. That's a bit of good news, but unfortunately, next week looks generally dry, as shown. This outlook is for Saturday through Valentine's Day. While some precipitation could linger into this Saturday, the remainder of the following week probably won't see a lot in the way of rainfall, but we'll keep an eye on that. If we don't manage to get much precipitation the rest of this month, we may not fare much better this spring, as the outlook for March through May is for a continuation of below average precipitation. To perhaps make matters even worse, temperatures across southeast Arizona are expected to average out warmer than normal for the 3-month period of March through May. Finally, let's take a look at how our drought may be affected. Much of southeast Arizona is currently in the moderate to severe drought categories. With a warm and dry spring forecast, we could see extreme drought conditions return to some areas. Drought can affect all of us in a number of ways. It can increase the potential for blowing dust, which can hamper travel and reduce our air quality. The agriculture community is, of course, greatly affected, which can in turn affect others at the checkout counter. Wildfire potential can be increased when available fuels are very dry. We'll talk more about the fire weather outlook in a future presentation next month as we draw near to fire weather season and more information becomes available about the upcoming weather pattern and fuel moisture conditions. Thanks for your interest in this briefing. Remember, in addition to our website, check us out on Facebook or Twitter or call our 24-hour weather information line.